everybody, it's me, Lola, and this is Nico last. And Nico and I are gonna today, Nico is hungry right now. He's like hangry. And we are super excited to share with you a really fun recipe for 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗯𝗲 Spirit Week. I have still a copy of 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗯𝗲's first cookbook, Garden Gastronomy, and I love this one so much. I love all the 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗯𝗲's cookbooks, of course. But this one is super special to me because it has pictures that our kids drew in it. It's so adorable. And it was really fun to make this when I worked at 𝗬𝗂𝗂𝗂𝗯𝗲's, and I just still use recipes from it all the time. So what we're gonna do today is the Minty fresh strawberry salad. And to do it, I like this recipe because number one, it's super easy. We've got two ingredients, strawberries and mint. And these are two things that go really well together. They grow well together, and they get kids to taste new flavors together. Now Nico's hungry, so he's got his knife today and his cooking face, his game face. Can you, Nico, when we do this, you're gonna get to eat a little bit because he's hungry, but also I want you to cut off some of the tops of these strawberries. Can you eat that one for now? Awesome. Okay, so for making the salad, we're gonna use this bowl. We're gonna be cutting these strawberries into tiny bite-sized pieces. So when we cook with kids, I usually like to say like so tiny a caterpillar could bite on it, or so tiny like ant-sized pieces, like these. So I'm gonna plop those in there. Smells good. While I'm doing that, you're gonna keep eating your strawberry because, like I said, hunger is real in the house today. We need to soften him up a little bit. I'm also using like a kid-friendly knife that I love using with kids because it's like pretty hard to cut your hand off, and kids can practice their cutting techniques. All right, are you ready to help me cut? How about you help me count 12 leaves of mint, because that's actually in the recipe, 12 leaves. Can you do that for me? Here, let's put this down. Ready? One. Come on. Two. This one. There we go. 3. 4. 5.
6.
Come on. 6. And these are giant leaves, so now that I'm looking at it, I'm like, I might not make 12. All right, these smell good, right?
Can I please keep this one?
Yes, you can. Can you take the rest of them and break them into the tiniest pieces you can in here? You can keep all of these while I cut up my strawberries. So I'm gonna speed ahead here and do some strawberries. Yeah, a little bit smaller, right? Like the size of a little bit bigger than your fingernails. How about that? You want tiny ant-sized pieces?
Like this?
They're not even tiny, so tiny.
So tiny like this?
So tiny.
I'm still so hungry.
All right, we're gonna feed.
I'll keep it home. I'm hungry, Mom. I don't feed my child. I only do recipes for people. But my poor child is suffering.
Okay. I've cut all the strawberries. I think we're ready to stir this up. Nico's done a really good job of pinching off that mint, and we're gonna stir it up. So the more you mix, the more the mint is gonna make the flavor of the mint go on the strawberries. So can you mix it for me a little bit? Let's mix it. Let's go down 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Can I do it? Let's do it again. 10, 8, 7, 5, 3,
2,
1. All right, any more? A little bit more. All right, we ready to taste it?
Yes.
Okay, let's give it a try. So I'm gonna scoop out a little bit. I know Nico is not like the biggest fan of chewing on green stuff, but mint is good. So I'm not gonna give you a ton. I'm gonna give you the tiniest ant-sized pieces.
Why?
Well, just to try. Do you want a ton?
I don't want a leaf. All I want is
That's what every kid says. All right, so the strawberries are coming in here. Can you do me a favor and try one bite with just a little leaf, like the smallest leaf? See? You can barely see it. Ready? Steady? Chew, 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 chew. How do you like it? No?
I like the strawberry,
Okay.
but no that.
Yeah, this is what I get for gardening and cooking with children my whole life. I have a child who won't eat green things. Okay, well, happy Spirit Week, City Blossoms. Here's to an amazing organization, great people, and many, many years of trying new flavors.